Okay, got to do is we're going to take the compressor down off the roof today, and I made this lift here. It's the maiden voyage of our lift here, and this way I can take compressors up and down off roofs where I don't have to call a crane. And it's fundamentally a shingle hoist is what I just went to YouTube and I modeled it after that. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Can you get the tools okay? I don't know if there's enough room there. We might have to move the ladder when we get up there. But it's fundamentally just a motor. Got that at Granger. And I got this tubing. It's I got it perforated like this, so that I can put it in two sections, and I put a tube inside of it, a smaller one. That way I can carry it around much easier. But it's lighter because it's got the holes in it, and wasn't planning on lifting anything bigger than like a 5 horsepower compressor. But what we're doing today is we're taking that compressor apart, all the panels off, everything, and taking it down in pieces. They all got to go down, so. You see? Take this cover off here. Take the screws off the compressor. Okay. You can take it up. It's that size. It's this. Okay, what we're doing is just dismantling it. I've got the lines on this. So what we'll do is we're gonna let it down in pieces. We don't have to get a crane.
Reassemble it back.
Yeah. Got to tape up our lines. It's got to be held on somehow. That's good. Oh, the motor, fan motor hit the bar. It's gonna hit a bar right now. Hey, take it off and send it back up. Seems to be working okay. Good. Down a little. That's good. Okay. Oh, hold on. Go ahead. Hold on. That's what I made this for, was so I could take compressors up and down the roof easy. But the cable is turning pretty good. Could have roped it down, but I made this so that I can bring compressors up on the roof. This won't hold, maybe a 5 horsepower. I think that's about a 3 horsepower. That's the last of it. Just about. Oh, we got the electrical components yet.